See, Chuck, my man, everyone totally respects me now. But I think everyone is scared of you. Same thing, Chuck, my man. What's the problem? I hope they're getting used to it. Bomb! Enough with that stupid karate shenanigans stuff already. Seriously. Duh. Yeah, Bomb, what were you thinking? Where were your friends? And you could have killed us to death. And you could have been killed me. Okay, one as if, and two, it's Kung Fu. Hello? Just knock it off, Bomb, or there'll be consequences. Oh, yeah? Make me. Bomb. You wouldn't take all of us. You know what? If you want to fight with us, then let's have it. Oh my freaking gosh. You guys are totally right. Hi! Hey, don't want to. Uh-huh. Yep. Looks like I'm the master of the girl Kwando. Yep. And looks like I'm the master of not carrying gypsy. Huh? But I have to admit, you're pretty good. That's it. I'm gonna get you. Yes. Fail. Hey. Oh no!
To avoid damage to young minds, we've been ordered to replace this fight scene with Happy Puppies.
Now that's respect. RSPEQW. Respect. Ha 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 ha. A few hours later. What? I wonder what this thing does. Whoa! It's just like in a movie Tron. Ooh, brain. Ooh, laser beams. That will work. Sorry, too difficult. Brainy lasers, yes. Brain lasers, no. Oh, I give up. Now what am I supposed to do? Stop Bomb from his karate madness. Or kung fu, for example. Use this instead. Whoa.